Have you ever wondered what's the difference between an average digital marketer and a good digital marketer? In this video, I'm going to be talking about my daily routine and the routine of a few digital marketers which I know, which are great digital marketers. I have broken down this into three very basic steps. So stay tuned for the rest of the video because this is going to be super useful for you. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Locker Room. This is your host Priyank Johari, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and push the bell notification so that you get to know about the videos as soon as I upload them. As we all know, digital marketing industry is evolving on a daily basis. So the difference between an average digital marketer and a good digital marketer is that they keep themselves updated with whatever is happening in the industry and whatever is changing in the ecospace. So, how do I do that? I do it via Feedly. Now, Feedly is an RSS service. I have kept all my streams in there, and I check it by by social media marketing. Then maybe I go to the SEO stream and read what are the latest articles about SEO, and etc etc, and the list keeps on going, right? So the first thing which I do along with my cup of tea is that I open a Feedly. I don't watch news. I do not spend time on the newspaper or anything of that sort, but Feedly is my news for me. The other way people usually do it is by following hashtags like hashtag digital marketing on LinkedIn. You could do it on Instagram, Twitter, or maybe you could just simply put them in Google Alerts, right? It's going to come straight into your inbox and you can do that. The reason why I do that in the morning is because your brain is very fresh from the sleep. A lot of people do it later in the day, but I like to do it early in the morning. Let me give you a really quick example of what happened with me around 3 months back or something. I was reading a report which was published on LinkedIn that 50% of the TikTok users earn less than 20,000 rupees on a monthly basis. Now, I was meeting this person who was targeting basically the same set of people. And I told him about the report which I read and then explained him how it's going to work out. And he was convinced. Eventually, what happened is that I was able to get that particular project. You can easily see that how important it is to stay updated. If you're not updated, you're ancient, especially in digital marketing. That was my step number one. You have to stay updated. So now coming back to the daily commute which I do to the office, I actually listen to podcast while I'm in the car driving. A lot of people ask me that why can't you listen to music? Is because I can listen to music while at work. I'm doing something and then I can plug in my earphones and then I can go ahead and listen whatever music I want to. While driving, I listen to podcasts. Those podcasts could be either entrepreneurship based or self improvement based or anything of that sort. So we have already talked about keeping yourself updated. Now, what happens when you reach your workspace? The second step is managing your work. First thing they do is that they clear the backlogs. If there is anything pending, okay, they reply to the emails, they could set up the meetings, they could make the calls, they could create an update, their task list kind of a thing. From the point of task list, I actually use two tools here. One is your Trello and the second one is your Wunderlist. Okay, I'll tell you why I use both of these tools. Trello is for anything which task needs to be done for more than in a day. Okay, so if you're going to take more than 24 hours in order to complete, or one work day in order to complete, it goes into Trello. But if there is something which I need to make, let's say a simple call to somebody, I put it into Wunderlist. It's because it's just a great feeling when you're checking the boxes, right? And it quickly goes away and it doesn't overpopulate your Trello board. I wish I could show you my Trello board, but it's kind of confidential, so I'm just not going to do that. One of the things which digital marketers or maybe any professional does on a daily basis is that they keep a deadline to every task which comes in, so you could manage it a lot better. It's just a way to keep yourself organized. The third thing which good digital marketers do is that they learn something new on a daily basis. I'm just going to give you my example here is that I'm currently learning Final Cut Pro. Video you'll see this time is going to be a lot better in terms of colors and sound compared to the previous ones which are there on my channel. Three things. First thing is that you keep yourself updated. Secondly, you manage your daily task in a very organized way. It always feels good to have checked a lot of boxes before going to the sleep the same day. Third thing is that you need to keep on learning. Hold on, the video is not over yet. There are a couple of points which you should remember while following these three tips. The one thing is that these are not in any particular order. So you might manage your day first and then start updating yourself and then learn something new, or maybe you start learning something new early morning and then manage your day and update yourself later in the night. There is no fixed formula for this, but these are the three things which a good digital marketer and even a good professional does. These three things are in no particular order. Secondly, these three things are interrelated to each other. For example, let's say you learned something new in the morning and you found out that this might be helpful for your business as well. So you put that learning and put it into the manage section and start doing that work for your company. Okay, it could be a very simple thing. It could be something which you learned. Let's say a new SEO algorithm came in, you want to now implement it on your business work. Okay, so that is something which you're going to be doing. To give you one more example, right, while you were working you found out that there is something missing or there is something which you could do to make that thing better. For example, you might want to change the graphic of the ads. Okay, you might not want to go to the graphic designer right now, but what you could do is when you're managing those graphic designs, you can always go to the learn section and start learning about how to create those designs or how to edit those designs. Those two are connected as well. So in the same way, they are all interconnected. It's just about how you manage it. So remember, you have to stay updated, you have to manage your day, and then you have to learn every day. Just in case if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, please put a like. If you know somebody who is trying to become a better digital marketer, please share this video with that person. Until next time, see you around. Bye bye. Good night.